Hey everyone, welcome back. So I've been wanting to make this video for about a week about why I love and hate Chords of Orion and Bill Vencil. Now, I don't literally hate him. In fact, I really love Bill Vencil's channel. He's a very nice guy, has a spiritual element to him as well, of course. Great guitar player, very knowledgeable about ambient music. I've learned a ton from Bill Vencil, and in fact his channel inspired me to really dive into ambient guitar and experimental music. Virtually everything that I have on my pedalboard today are things that Bill has reviewed or uses and so forth, so many things. So you may be asking, well, why do I not like Bill Vencil? What don't I like about him? Well, a couple of weeks ago, about 3 weeks ago, I did a live music event. I played live ambient music for an event, part of a workshop that me and my wife did together. She taught a part of this workshop, and a part of the workshop was a yoga class, and I played ambient music for that yoga class. And I was having some trouble with a lot of static. It wasn't just like a disconnected wire, like a wire that was loose, or something like that. It was every once in a while I would just get this staticky sound, and it would last for several seconds, then it would go away, and then it would come back. And eventually I isolated it down to my Wampler Ego compressor. Every time I would turn the compressor off, I wouldn't get that staticky sound anymore. So I took it off my pedal board, I cleaned it, I used some spray to kind of clean the contacts out really good, but it kept doing it. And so then I did some research online, and I did read some things that they said that sometimes some of the contacts in the pedal board and the circuit board in there might be coming loose, like the solders might not be done properly, or might have come loose a little bit and causing that sound. So I wrote Wampler, because the pedal's only a couple years old. I wrote them, and they wrote back, and they were willing to check it out. But in the time being, from the time that I sent them the email, in between that time when I got a response back from them, I actually just decided to get a new compressor pedal. So I bought the same Wampler brand, but I bought the Ego 76 compressor. I did some research on this. It's very similar to the regular Ego compressor. I haven't even plugged this in yet, so I'm not sure if it's going to be a little bit different sound or what, but I did read some good reviews about it. I don't know a lot about the 76. I believe it's modeled after some compressors that they use in studios. So I don't know much about that stuff, but I bought the Wampler Ego 76 to try it out. And then so during this live music event, I didn't have any problems with it. A couple of times it did it, but with the music wasn't really that noticeable, but it was annoying to me. I hate any noise in my signal chain. I've done everything to get it as quiet as possible. And I did read that the Ego 76 compressor is supposed to be a little bit quieter than the original Ego. So I'll be interested to see how that works out when I try it out, when I plug it into my board. So shortly after that event that I played at, this is about maybe 2 or 3 videos ago, from Chords of Orion from Bill Vencil. He did a really nice video about him building a pedal board. So, and it walked through everything and his whole signal chain and everything. Very useful, and I would suggest that anybody that is building a pedal board, or maybe you already have a pedal board built, you know, there's a lot of different ways that you can run your signal chain. So I thought it was very interesting. He started off with his tuner and his dry sound, and then started to build the pedals. First he put a compressor, then a overdrive pedal, and then so forth. So one of the pedals that he put in the signal chain was a stereo chorus pedal. Now I know what a chorus pedal is. I used to have a chorus pedal years and years and years ago when I played at a rock band back in the 80s, but I don't currently have a chorus pedal on my pedal board. And when he, you know, he plugged the chorus pedal in and started playing something, and then he played it. He wanted to show the comparison between without the chorus pedal and with the chorus pedal. And when he turned that chorus pedal on, the stereo sound from that chorus pedal was like, oh my God, I gotta have one of those. So
after the pitch shifter is the shortest time-based effect that I'll be using today, and that is a stereo chorus, and it's the TC Electronic stereo chorus. Here's what my sound sounds like without it on. Let me bring it in.
So I ended up buying one. It's the TC Electronic stereo chorus. I think it's their remake of one that they made originally. Stereo chorus, it's a pitch modulator and a flanger. Now this was only, I think I paid about $83 for this. And I actually bought it on Amazon. I normally buy all my gear from Sweetwater, and Sweetwater was back ordered until August. So I did find that at Amazon. I got it in 2 days. So, you know, Bill Vencil, thank you for making me spend more money. Now, I know it's my own, you know, my own choice if I want to buy something or not, but I just thought that the sound sounded so awesome. I haven't even plugged this in. As a matter of fact, I just took it out of the box before I did this video. So the dilemma that Bill has put me in is I have to figure out how I'm going to put this on my pedal board. I think I have enough room to, if I move some things around, but I also have to figure out how my signal chain is going to go, because this pedal is not in and out stereo. It's mono signal in and then stereo out. So I have to figure out how I'm going to do this and how I'm going to set up my signal chain out. So I've got to figure out how I'm going to do this. Now, Bill Vencil has everything running in front of his amp modeler. His amp modeler is the last in his signal chain. This is the way he has it set up on this video, and I'll have a link for that video in the description below if you haven't checked that out already. But the reason, of course, I'm joking when I say that Bill Vencil is causing me strain and pain, and you know why I love and hate Bill Vencil and Chords of Orion. I'm just joking with that, but you know, because I watched that video, I have to rearrange my pedal board and might have to buy some different patch cords. I have you know, the best patch cords from Vertex. I bought all their custom length patch cords, so I might have to even invest a little bit more money. Anyway, folks, I'm just joking around. I love Bill Vencil, but you know, that's the dangers of watching some of these channels, is when you come across a review of a pedal and it just sounds awesome. The danger is that you're going to want to buy it. Recently, I think his last video is he reviewed the Ditto X4 looper, and I was already thinking about, wow, I need that looper pedal. Right now I'm using the Infinity looper, which is just, you know, a stereo looper in and out, but it just, it doesn't do the same thing. The X4 is something that I can really take advantage of, but that's another couple $100. I'm definitely gonna wait on that, and that would require me to rework my entire utility pedal board, which has my mixer, it has my loopers, my vocal processor, and my tuner on it right now. So I have to have some restraint. Anyway, folks, that's it. That's my dilemma. I might do a video when I'm kind of take my pedal board, my effects guitar pedal board. I'll put it on the my workbench, and I'll try to figure out how I'm gonna redo it and move things around and rework my signal chain. And I might do my signal chain like Bill Vencil did it. I might do everything in front of the amp modeler. I don't know. Anyway, that's it, folks. Hope you guys are having a good time, good day. Keep playing music, experiment, be creative, whatever your instrument of choice is, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. Bye-bye.